Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, ventilated seats. We are pleased to show you the 2015 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.